So here's the jigsaw, and today we're just going to follow the curve round on the end of this piece of particle board. Before you use it, check your blade, make sure it's sharp, and also just check that the base and the blade are at 90 degrees to each other. You can adjust that. At the back of most of these saws there's a Allen key, and we can undo that bolt in there, and then you can tilt that base either way. So you can cut on a 45-degree angle. Now, before we use it, make sure that the base is always hard down on the material that you're going to cut, and you start the motor before that happens. When you're using the jigsaw, if the jigsaw couldn't follow the curve round, if you try and force it round, you'll just break the blade because they are very narrow. So what we do is you can make a cut, then come back just a little bit and then have another bite. The idea is not to force the blade at all. You'll hear it in the machine if it starts to slow down. It just means you're twisting the blade too much.